Salesforce Space Station.
Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you on how to create a prompt through inApp guidance. inApp guidance is a built-in feature that is already offered by Salesforce. So business can use this to their advantage to remind their business user of important business process or important information. To see this in action, let me tour you to this point-and-click configuration. So from the quick find, just type in inApp, click inApp guidance, click add button. So when you click the add button, the in-app guidance builder opens a new browser tab. So inside the builder canvas, you can navigate to the app and page where you want to add a prompt. So I'm going to select the lead object, and then I'm going to select the all open leads list view. Alright, so in here, I'm going to click on add button, located at the right hand corner of your screen. Alright, so you will remain in the builder while you navigate. The builder shows information about your page location, other in-app guidance on the page, and your next step. So you just have to follow the instructions in the right side panel, and to choose the single prompt, just click the single prompt. Click next. Then you will just have to specify the type and position of the prompt and the content. So in here, I'm going to select the floating prompt, and to select the position, just click this drop down button right here. So in here, I'm gonna select the bottom center. All right, so this, when you select the bottom center, your prompt will be displayed at the bottom center of your screen. So now I'm gonna click next. All right, so in here, you can type in the title of your prompt. So I'm gonna type in reminder. Right, so for the body of the prompt, I'm gonna put in this page that you are viewing right now are your leads. Do not forget to monitor all of them in this page. All right. So once done, you can just type in the dismiss button. You can also put in done, so whatever you want. So once completed, just click on save button. So once you click the save button, a window appears to complete more settings. So for an action button, you can type in the action button label in here, but I'm gonna skip this one for now, and I'm just gonna click on next. Right, so for the date range, I'm gonna put in the 13th, which is today, 13th December, and for the end date, I'm gonna select the 31st of December. So I'm gonna click this checkbox as well, so that every time the page loads, it will show you the prompt reminder that we've just created. So once done, just click next. And you will also have an option to select the profiles where you want to make this in-app guidance prompt visible to. Then click next. So in here, I'm gonna select the all users permission, see the in-app guidance. Then click next. And lastly, you just have to put in the name of the prompt. Then hit save. So once done, just click on done button, and for you to test it out, you just have to go to leads. So let's go back to our home page and then click leads. Alright, so it's working. As you can see, the prompt in-app guidance is now showing at the bottom center of your screen. So I hope you enjoyed this content. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.